Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily disable restriction mode on your YouTube. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to put likes and write your comments. Let's get started. So, of course, to begin with, we're going to open up the YouTube app. And then at the bottom, we're going to go to our page. And at the top, we're going to click on the gear in order to go to Settings. Next, we're going to go to General. And here we'll see the Restricted Mode section. And if you have this feature enabled, then you will have some restrictions on YouTube. For example, you'll have restrictions on certain videos, age restrictions. So if you want to disable that mode, you can just toggle this button to turn off the restriction mode. And now you won't have any restrictions on YouTube. That's how very simple and in such a very simple way you can disable restriction mode on your YouTube. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.